Hey guys, Destiny Tech Human here, back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the Meyer Yellow Leather Loop Band from Apple. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so Apple makes it pretty easy to open their things. There's just a little pull tab. Get there, chuck that off to the side, and as you can see, just like that. And then you just take out your band. There you have the Apple garbage papers. We don't need to look at that, but what we really want to look at is in here. I really like Apple's casing on all their bands. Super nice. And let's open it up, and there it is. That is looking good right out of the box. So as you can see, right now I'm wearing my Midnight Blue Sport Loop band. But I just recently picked this one up because I wanted to try a leather band. So let's get it out. The packaging here. There we go. Just comes out like that. That's the topping piece. And then let's get this bottom piece. And put that to the side. So as you can see, this is the medium size, and it's natural leather, and it is for the 44mm Apple Watch band. So let's get this off. Just slide that out. Then let's put this on. We'll put this piece along the bottom. Just click in. And then this piece along the top. Clip it in. And let's get this thing on. I'll just stick it on over here. And as you can see, you just pull it through that, and then you tighten it to the size. And what's really nice about this band is it's just a magnetic loop that goes into it, and it actually fits very well on my wrist. Just tighten it a little bit, just let it snap on. So yeah, first impressions, this is very sturdy, very comfortable, and very yellow. It'll look good with a yellow watch face. Let me just unlock it here and get to my yellow watch face. There we go. It looks very good with this watch face, actually. I'm really liking this watch face. And yeah, other than that, that is pretty much it for this video. So guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.